Thought I would make a quick video about the instrument cluster in the W123 Mercedes, because that often fails on the older cars. And there's a good reason for that, and it's quite simple to fix. So this is the multi-instrument from a W123. I've already loosened all the bolts on the binder of it, so you can easily remove the faceplate in the instruments. Just be a little bit delicate when you do it, so we're not hurting it. This is from a parts car, so. Okay, this is the print. And you can probably already spot the issue. From all the cars I've seen, you have the issue right up here because it lays against the plastic and just destroys the leads here. This is the ground for the instruments. So what happens when this breaks? The instrument cluster will probably draw ground through the coolant temp sensor, probably through the fuel level sensor, and probably through the clock. The ground for the clock often comes from the metal on the housing. I have one here. It's touching the inside of the dashboard where it's grounded and gets a ground from there. Normally the clock will get its ground from this point. As you can see, this often fails as well. So how do you repair this? Well, it's very simple. First, you need some soldering iron skills. So first, solder this back up so it's got a nice good connection here. And then here, find the pin that says 15. Oh, sorry, it's the one on top. Solder a wire from 15 here. Oh, let me focus. From 15 and over here. And you re-establish the ground connection. This will make sure that you have ground going to the coolant temp sensor, the fuel level sensor, and this one also connects to the clock via the tachometer. So solder one's wire from this one to this one. I would also make sure that cut off the excess leads here and mask it off with some electrical tape so there will never be any short circuits up here. You're good to go.